not drinking on camera. It's ginger beer. It's amazing. I'm here today to do an unboxing with you with SwatchOn.com. SwatchOn.com is a place where you can just log on, you create an account, you can get swatches sent to you. You pay for each swatch, but as you're a member on the account, they kind of like credit you one free swatch a month. I didn't realize that I had like 12 credits and I got like a whole bunch of swatches for free, so I'm so happy. So SwatchOn.com was like my first choice when it came to getting good quality swatches, and I was able to really like see it. They have videos that shows you how it, you know, how the fabric looks, how it stretches, how it feels. You can see the texture and everything. So I really like that about SwatchOn. I think that is so good that this site provides high quality swatches, you know, for like a low price. And for them, like, you have to buy in bulk. I think, you know, people who don't have businesses and want it for personal use can use it. But I will link their website and all the information down below. But let's get into it. I'm so excited. So usually online though, it said that when they showed the swatch box, it was like a white box with the logo and it was all cute. So like when you open it up, it's like all the swatches are laid out. But they just, so basically this is the box. And I made sure I sprayed it down. I don't really have anything to really spray it down with, so I use hand sanitizer. It's covered in the blood of Jesus. So it came in these like packets. So I think I ordered, let's see. Oh, it came in 2 packages, but I ordered 4 different types of like swatch. 4 different types of bulk swatches. It does have the terms and conditions. That's what it comes with. It talks to you about sustainable packaging. It talks to you about like the wholesale price. Basically, they have the wholesale price, which is 50 yards and up if you want to buy in bulk. The surge price is 30% surcharge or less than 50 yards. So the minimum for purchases is 3 yards minimum. It has to be 3 yards minimum. If you want like a mass production, you get like a quote. So you have to like contact them separately for that. And then it tells you like the shipping and everything. Sometimes takes about 4 to 7 business days upon the order. It does have a shipping fee of $15 to $40 depending on what fabric you chose and how much you chose. Fabric rolls, they said it's 20 to 50 yards per fabric roll depending on what fabric you bought. So let's get into this. Let's get into it. That's why y'all came, right? Because y'all want to see what's in these little packages. I'm so excited. I ordered cotton and polyethylene. This is like the cotton, and it, see how it just comes in every color? It comes in every color. Get to look at it, get to feel it. So yeah, this is amazing. And it tells you the price as a wholesale, and it tells you your price as a surcharge. So surcharge is basically like if you want to just purchase this personal use or just like for your business, but it's not a big business. And wholesale is if you want to purchase it for like your whole collection type of thing. Always keep in mind that wholesale is less because the minimum is 50 yards. So you're going to pay less than the surcharge. So for an example, wholesale for this is $7.85 per yard, right? Surcharge is $10.35, meaning that let's say I'm going to get 3 yards, so that means it'll be $10.35 per yard. Bam. And then, oh, this one is nice. The version is from South Korea. So this one is cotton. It also tells you the surcharge. It tells you the origin, like where it comes from. This is like a lot of. It's just a lot of colors. Like this is really nice. I love it. It shows you in every color. So, and then they just pin it here so you can like keep it. Then I chose these. This is what I really wanted. I chose a cotton stretch denim, and I was so in love with just this. Like I love it. I love that. Just like the pattern, because I do want to incorporate some like denim pieces into my fall collection. So I absolutely love it. And yeah, I would definitely be getting more of these. So yeah. And then this one is nice too. This is like a snakeskin cotton. So this one's really, really nice. This one's like more of a blue tone. And this one is more of like a, this is really nice. I really like this. Like this is really, really nice. This one didn't have that much though as the other ones because it's available more for that one. But this is nice. So if I wanted to do like a surcharge again, like 3 to 49 yards, it would be $3.80. I'm sorry, it'd be $13.80 per yard. I love it. Sometimes when you're starting off, it's good to go big. It's good to go big. It's good to purchase a lot of things, but then also you have to realize that you have to budget. Even though if you don't have no money, you may think you don't have any money to budget, but trust me, even if you make $100 a month, you still have to budget. You have to budget no matter what. This is acrylic and nylon. So like I said, it shows the content, it shows the width, it shows the origin, and it shows the cost. I like this one. This is like this is acrylic and nylon. I don't know what I was gonna use this for. Maybe pants. But that might be a little bit too, oh, I'll figure it out. Maybe a jacket. Could be whatever, really. It's soft enough. It doesn't hurt. So yeah, this is really nice. I really like this a lot. Like, look at that. I don't know if y'all can like really see that. I might have to like fix the camera a little bit. This is really, really nice. I love it. Second bag. Oh, I thought I got more. Oh. So this one is polyester viscose rayon, and this is the polyethylene or polyurethane. This one's also originally from South Korea, so it has a lot of the, I love this. Like this one is really nice. I feel like this can be like a year-round kind of thing. Yeah, this is very year-round. This is really nice, and it has all the colors. Look at that. It's so beautiful. So yeah, so SwatchOn.com is also doing customized printing, and they actually sent their samples here. This is not, obviously this is not the print, but they're just using this print as an example. So like you can, I guess, create like a print on Photoshop or Illustrator, send it to them. They're just saying that they do this service. It says how much the service is, what fabric contents that they print on. So here they have the velvet. So let me read it from here. So this is velvet. You all can see the velvet. Velvet is shiny, but honestly in person, it's shiny once it hit the light, but like if you're just standing there, it's matte. So it's not too bad. So the elastic fabric is stretchy. I like it. It's not shiny either. Then the next one is embellished chiffon. So the embellished chiffon is nice too. You can see how that looks. It's not bad. It's nice. Then next we have the linen-like fabric. That's the name of it, linen-like fabric. And then we have the organza with plaid. This one is satin, which is nice for dresses and blouses. And this is a mesh, like an active mesh for like active wear. They asked me if I would like a sample of their customized digital printing, and I was like, yeah, because I want to see what it's about. I use Spponflower. There's another printing service too. I didn't really like it. I like Spponflower a little better than it, but yeah, I forgot the name of it, damn it. But if I remember, I'll put it below. But don't wait on it. I don't know. But Spponflower was another service, a digital printing service that is very good to use, and it is quite affordable. It's not bad. It's affordable, and then you can sell your stuff on that website too. If you come up with some really cool prints, you can sell it for like a profit, and obviously they will keep a little bit of the profits, but you can still like do that. Just a little unboxing review on SwatchOn.com. I'm gonna link their website below so you can get some more information and kind of just, you know about the brand and know about what they do. So I hope you all are interested. Definitely take advantage of it. If you're able to, get some samples from there. And I think that's the best way to design. Just get samples and feel the fabric, get to know the fabric, and then you can just go from there and create whatever you want to create. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please comment, share, subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and anything that you all want me to talk about. I have my email down below. You can send questions, serious questions about fashion and design and fabric and just being creative and all that kind of stuff. Take care, y'all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, bye, bye. Bye.